Hello guys, I hope that you are all doing fine. Welcome to back to our channel Online Banking. So in today's video we are going to see how to open an account on the crypto on one of the most popular crypto trading platforms that you can use to trade cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, to dollars and euros and other fiat currency, and you can also trade them back from fiat to cryptocurrency. Using this money at this platform, you can make money by trading cryptocurrency. With the rise and the up and the downs of cryptocurrency, you need first to do some research about crypto trading, about what are the main rules of crypto trading. You need to know technical trading, you need to know what is fundamental, what are the technical indicators, etc, etc. So before you enter in crypto trading, I advise you first to learn crypto trading. The purpose of this video is only to show you how to open an account on Poloniex, because I have got a lot of questions asking me to make a video about how to open an account on Poloniex. So in today's video we will see how to open an account on Poloniex. To open an account on Poloniex, you go to https poloniex.com. After that you click on sign up. After that you have clicking on sign up, you will get this page, this registration form that you need to fill up. On the first in the first case you need to enter your email. For example, I'm going to enter an email. This is just an email for fun, and is it. And after that you choose a password. This is just a random email that I show you for registration. Also you need to put a password. For the password I advise you to use a strong password, because hackers have tendency to attack crypto trading platform with those attacks and other sorts of hacking attacks, because there is a lot of money to make in cryptocurrency and a lot of transaction on crypto trading platform. For these reasons, crypto exchange platform are the best place for hackers to steal money. For this reason, of course, you need to protect your account with using a strong password. After filling up a password, you enter a referral code. If there is a referral code, you will find the link to go to the registration page in the description of the video, so make sure to click on it. After that, you click here to verify that you are not a bot. This is a verification process to verify that the users that are registering are not bot. After that, you agree on the term and the condition that you are 80 years old, and also that you don't come from the country that are under punishments or under embargo, like Syria, North Korea, Iran and Cuba. After that, you agree to the term and the condition, and then you sign up to an account on Poloniex. After that, you have signed an account. You go to verify your email. You will get a verification email on your email inbox. We will go to my email. I will pause the video for a few seconds in order to enter to my email and to verify my account. After that, here is the email that I have got on my inbox to verify my email. You click on here on verify email, and here is it. You have verify your email. Just 1 minute. And here is it. We have verify our email on Poloniex. And in order to enter into our account, we put here the email that we have used during registration, and then we put here our password, and here is it. Here we go. We enter to our Poloniex account. Here is it, our account. As you see it, just 1 minute. Here is our account on Poloniex. It is an empty account because this is not my principal account. Of course, I will not show you my principal account since there is money in my account, and I don't take the risk to show you my real account. So here is how to open an account with Poloniex. I hope that this video was useful and helpful. If you have find it useful and helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get the last videos about online banking and everything related to money making online. And if you have questions, leave a comment below this video. I will be happy to answer all your questions regarding Poloniex. You will find the link to join Poloniex in the description of the video.